What's up everyone, it's Pat Titty, and let's be real. Who doesn't want to make money while they sleep? Imagine waking up to more money in your bank account than you went to bed with. That's the beauty of passive income. In this video, we're diving deep into 7 incredible passive income ideas that can help you build serious wealth, all with minimal effort. That's right. You don't need to be working 24/7 to start seeing your money grow. We'll be covering everything from investing in dividend stocks to creating your own digital products, strategies that are perfect whether you're just starting your financial journey or you're a seasoned investor looking to diversify your income streams. Big goals or just wanting some extra cash flow, these ideas will set you on the path to financial freedom. So, buckle up and let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with one of my personal favorites, dividend stocks. Think of it like this. You buy a small piece of a company, a share, and because that company is profitable, they share those profits with you, the shareholder, in the form of dividends. It's like getting paid to own a piece of that company. And the best part, dividends are typically paid out every quarter, meaning you're getting a nice, consistent stream of passive income. Now, not all companies pay dividends. Some companies reinvest their profits back into their business to fuel growth, and that's okay. But when you're looking for dividend-paying companies, you want to focus on established, stable businesses with a solid track record of profitability. Think companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, or even real estate investment trusts, or REITs. Remember, investing always carries risk, and the value of your investments can fluctuate. But by doing your research, choosing companies with a history of dividend payments, and holding those investments for the long term, you can potentially generate a solid stream of passive income with dividend stocks. It's a classic strategy for a reason. Next up, we're talking real estate, but with a modern twist: real estate crowdfunding. Now, I love real estate. It's a fantastic way to build wealth, but I also know that not everyone has the cash lying around to buy a rental property outright. That's where crowdfunding comes in. Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul have completely changed the game by allowing you to invest in large-scale real estate projects with significantly less money up front. We're talking about diversifying your portfolio with investments in apartment complexes, commercial buildings, and more, all with a few clicks on your phone. The beauty of real estate crowdfunding is that it gives you access to potential passive income streams like rental income and the potential for long-term appreciation, all without having to deal with the headaches of being a landlord. You get the benefits of real estate investing without the hassle of property management. It's a win-win. Now, if you're someone who loves sharing their knowledge and expertise, listen up because this one's for you. Creating and selling digital products. This is where things get really exciting. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What do you know a ton about? Maybe you're a whiz at photography, a coding guru, or you've mastered the art of baking the perfect sourdough bread. Whatever your skill set, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. Creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, templates, or even stock photos and music allows you to package your knowledge and sell it repeatedly without reinventing the wheel each time. Once you create a product, it can generate passive income for months, even years to come. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or even your own website make it easier than ever to reach a global audience and start generating income from your passions. It's about leveraging your expertise, creating valuable content, and building a community around your knowledge. Trust me, this is a powerful way to create a lasting income stream. Let's move on to another fascinating passive income idea that can also make a real difference: peer-to-peer lending. Now, we all know how banks work, right? They lend money and earn interest on those loans. Well, with platforms like Lending Club or Prosper, you can become the bank. Peer-to-peer lending connects borrowers directly with individual investors like you. You get to choose which loans to fund, and in return, you earn interest payments on those loans. It's a way to potentially earn higher returns than traditional savings accounts, all while helping individuals and small businesses access the funding they need. Of course, like any investment, there are risks involved. Borrowers may default on their loans, but by diversifying your lending portfolio, meaning you lend small amounts to many borrowers instead of a large amount to just one, you can potentially mitigate that risk and generate a solid passive income stream. Now let's talk about one of the most popular passive income streams out there: affiliate marketing. If you've got a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or even a strong social media presence, this one's for you. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services you love and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Think of it this way. You're like a digital matchmaker connecting your audience with products or services that solve their problems or enhance their lives. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you get a cut of the sale. It's a win-win-win. Your audience gets valuable recommendations, the company gets a sale, and you generate passive income. The key to successful affiliate marketing is authenticity. Promote products you genuinely believe in and that align with your audience's interests. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships and focus on providing value. Done right, affiliate marketing can become a significant source of passive income. Next up, we're going back to real estate, but this time, it's about leveraging what you already have, renting out property. Now, this could be anything from renting out a spare room on Airbnb to leasing out an entire investment property. The rise of the sharing economy has made it easier than ever to become a landlord, even if it's just part-time. Platforms like Airbnb, VRBO, or even traditional long-term rental agreements can provide a steady stream of passive income. Plus, you get to be your own boss and set your own rates. Of course, being a landlord comes with responsibilities. You'll need to screen tenants, maintain the property, and handle any issues that arise. But if you're willing to put in the work, renting out property can be a lucrative way to generate passive income and build long-term wealth. Finally, let's circle back to real estate with a strategy that's perfect for those who want exposure to the real estate market without the hands-on involvement of being a landlord. Investing in REITs, or real estate investment trusts. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. Think shopping malls, office buildings, apartments, even cell towers. When you invest in a REIT, you're essentially buying a small piece of all the properties in that REIT's portfolio. It's a way to diversify your holdings across a wide range of real estate assets without having to buy physical property yourself. The best part? REITs are legally required to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders in the form of dividends. This makes REITs a potentially excellent source of passive income, especially for investors looking for regular dividend payouts. Plus, you can buy and sell REITs just like stocks, making them a liquid investment option. There you have it, 7 incredible passive income ideas to help you build wealth while you sleep. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort up front, but the rewards are well worth it. Choose the strategies that resonate with you, start small, and gradually scale your efforts over time. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment below with your favorite passive income idea, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on all the latest content. Now go out there and start building your passive income empire. The sooner you start, the sooner you can start enjoying the fruits of your labor. Until next time, keep hustling and stay focused on your financial goals.